Yeah. Hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of leadership, project management, and agile. You can join me and help me with that either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to your friends who are in need of it. Right? So, having said that, let us get into today's topic. We are currently discussing some of the leadership ideas from MIT Sloan School of Management. Today's topic is Johnson& and Johnson's three-step strategy for innovation. How to build a technology roadmap in the established organization. So this is the article published in MIT Sloan in the month of July 2023. Why it matters. Focus on business outcomes and target technologies with the greatest potential to spur transformation, according to the CIO of Johnson& and Johnson. How does Johnson& Johnson, a 137-year-old multinational company with nearly 150,000 employees, continue to innovating and adopting new technologies? Let's go and look at it. According to Jim Swanson, the company's executive vice president and CIO, the winning formula is an acute focus on business outcomes combined with a strategy for building enterprise digital acumen. This means targeting technologies with the greatest potential to spur transformation. Innovation is the lifeblood of all companies, but it is especially important in the pharmaceutical, medical device, and consumer product sectors. Almost one third of global data is generated by healthcare. That data is helping industry leaders break new ground on the personalization of patient care, advanced science and therapeutics, and intelligent medical devices, all with the aim of facilitating better patient outcomes. We have to be innovating at scale and at the speed of our business. Swanson said at the recent MTech Digital Conference hosted by MIT Technology Review. We have to understand different healthcare needs all around the world to stay effective and relevant to our mission of transforming healthcare. J&J's innovation strategy rests on three core pillars. Let's go and look at it. First pillar is modernizing the technology ecosystem and core. There are four layers to ensuring that the right technologies are in place. It starts with foundational technologies such as network capabilities, cybersecurity, enterprise resource planning, and Internet of Things functionality. J&J also focuses on creating a data layer that makes data secure and accessible to drive better insights. A platform layer encompasses workflows and software to support core business operations, including R&D, supply chain, and patient care. Finally, as parts of modern technology stack, J&J integrates data science into models, workflows, and core business platform bolstered by scalable, secure, elastic compute capacity. These four layers, combined with a digital radar that identifies areas where technology will make the greatest impact, helps J&J innovate at scale to reach intended outcomes, Swanson said. Second pillar is building enterprise digital acumen. J&J is committed to making its organization ready for the future and provides an array of tools to keep it 4,000 plus IT employees up to date on digital skills. To start, the company embarked on a skill mapping exercise using AI models to identify gaps in 40 technological competencies and 12 soft skills that were deemed essential. It gave me a view of my organization to see where we were strong and where we needed to develop the skills I thought we needed for the future. From there, J&J partnered with educational providers to create the learning content. It also promotes skill building challenges and encourages and rewards employee participation. Based on the early success in the IT organization, Swanson's team is collaborating with J&J's chief human resource officers to expand the program to the entire organization. The third pillar is innovating for impact. Swanson's group identifies technologies with the greatest potential to impact chosen business outcomes and the best chance of evolving at scale. For example, J&J has been experimenting with quantum computing to examine peptides and protein sequencing that could treat or cure diseases. Though it's still early days in terms of the technology's maturity, even if it is not ready, we have learned a ton about how to think differently, and that includes with our business colleagues such as R&D scientists. A number of innovations are already having a positive effect. One is an automated AI-based touchless order capability that gets products to customers sooner than original manual fax fax-based process did. Another innovation involves using augmented reality to let physicians train by performing procedures virtually. And in the therapeutics area, J&J's life-changing personalized therapy for multiple myeloma patients draws on technology for chain of identity and custody to track a specific individual's entire treatment process. As per J&J, what are the best practices for innovating? Swanson made the following recommendations for companies, both incumbents and startups, to successfully leverage technology in pursuit of innovation. Start by identifying business outcomes. There is a lot of shiny new technology out there, but not all of it is applicable to every company's needs. J&J starts with its foundational technologies and then augments them with the capabilities designed to meet specific objectives. For example, improving surgical procedure outcomes by connecting robotic devices with the data analytics functions or touchless ordering to improve supply chain turnarounds. The second best practices could be embrace a test and learn mentality. Swanson advises companies to not to wait for the perfect opportunity to use new technology or spend months on a soup to nuts deployment. Rather, he advocates for experimentation, immersion with new functionalities, and pilots conducted around the edges to ensure the right focus and success when it comes time to scale. Third best practices for innovation is build up a knowledge base. Build up a knowledge base. J&J is well equipped to harness emerging capabilities like generative AI because it's laid the groundwork in advance. The company created data science and automation councils with representation from every part of the company to learn and evolve digital acumen in these areas. We created a set of criteria that allows us to safely assess and pilot certain examples of applying generative AI. We have about 185 use cases that we have categorized and mapped that into 8 or 9 different fields of interest. With our criteria and policy, we can experiment, pilot, and learn and see what can scale. The fourth practice could be think beyond deployment and implementation. Prioritization is important in large company because you cannot deploy everything. And just because something has been deployed does not mean it delivers value. Swanson encourages organizations to focus on adoption and outcomes along with methodical test and learn process to help drive innovation forward. Finally, seek out promoters. Look for partners and business champions that can help build enthusiasm and drive support for new technologies and innovation. Detractors will only serve as roadblocks no matter how well a technology delivers. Find the promoters and work with them. Have the same conviction on the outcome, test and learn, let them amplify. If they amplify, other people will come along. Come to the conclusion of this particular video. Hope you guys got a fair view on what are the three core pillars of Johnson & Johnson's innovation strategy. We also talked about 5 best practices from Johnson and Johnson. Hope you guys like this kind of videos that helps you in your leadership career, in your organization. I hope you are learning how to implement or innovate in your organization, right? So with that, I'm signing off. See you in next video.